Alright, hey guys. Okay, today I'm test riding Harley Davidson Roadster 1200. Alright, just like all Sportsters, it's compact and has a 1200cc engine. Rode it here so far, it feels good. Well, the bars are almost like a drag bars. They are pulled back. Kind of feel like riding a sport bike. Your shoulders do feel softer sometimes. It's got a mid control and it's pretty high. Let me see. It's much higher than your 48 and your iron. Gives you more room to angle. Gives you a very cafe racer style kind of feel. And that's what this design is about. Everything else is the same. You got LED turn signals. You've got an LED light. You got a dual disc brake at the front, which is pretty good. Both your front and rear, the brakes are actually quite decent. It's got ABS on it, so riding the rims should be fine. Yeah, riding the range should be fine. All in all, it's got a digital indicator. Alright, same thing, it's got this alarm, just like all the new bikes. There you can see. The engine sounds good although it's stock. Alright. Not too bad. Truth be told, I like the sound of the stock Sportster on the 2018 compared to the Softail. Softails are a bit too soft and you don't have the grunt. Okay, the riding style is a bit hunched as you can see. Let me get on it. The only issue I have is the pegs. I would honestly prefer if it's slightly out, because if you can see, every time I need to change gear I need to tuck in like this, so it's a bit annoying. It would be nicer if it's just there, like you know those sports bike, you just leave it like this. It'd be nicer. And the way the handlebar is, don't know whether it's my hands, but it's a bit difficult to get the turn signals while you're on throttle or if you're clutched in. You have to, like, you know, move it out. That's so far the only issue I have. But other than that, it's a nice bike. It's super agile. Much more than any other Sportster. Must be because of the mid control and it's quite high. But the thing is, because of that you feel like you're on the bike, unlike the 40 and the iron, which you feel like you're in the bike because it's coming upwards. I mean, it depends on who rides, what's your perspective and how you feel while you ride. But if I were to get this bike, I'll definitely make it into a cafe racer. Rear set controls, drop the bar even lower, bar end mirrors. Gotta change that IU, it's damn ugly on the handlebar. Maybe spoke wheels, you know, change the color. Single seater. Yeah, that's about it. It would be nice for a cafe racer, definitely. Okay, it's time to head out then. The brakes are good. Now let's see how it picks up. Alright. Like I said, it's quite high. Alright. Barely flat footing it. Alright, let's go. Now I'm
gonna go in front because I want to hit the turns. It's high, it's good. I think for someone who wants a Harley and, you know, give it an old look like a cafe racer, and at the same time take the corners, I think it's not bad. But it comes, surely, oh, what the? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh, man. It's a bummer. Okay, let's go. So it feels, I feel confident leaving in because it's small, it's good. When you go into the corner, but maybe it's just me. So far, it's kind of okay. It feels good around corners though. But just the only issue I have is the gear shifting. I need to change my feet movement while flicking it. And I feel like I need to put a lot of weight into the bars when you take the corner. The side stand, it's okay, but due to this pack, if you can see, you see my leg hits here, so it's hard to extend. Should have thought about that. That's what I like. It's compact, it's fast, it's pretty agile, not too bad. Damn, too slow. Maybe that's good, right? about lane splitting. This is super easy to lane split. I don't even need to try. I can just lane split with this. The bars are just nice. It's not too big, it's not too far. Maybe I'll just put the mirrors below so it's not sticking out like this if you start it down. Lane splitting is so easy on this. All you gotta do is just shift the mirror below and it's perfect for Singapore. And actually all the Sportsters are quite perfect for Singapore. They got enough power. They are pretty small, like sideways. Their length is just nice. You can fit it in the lot, in the parking lot. Like, I like the breakout. If you're going to park there on let's say HDB or even a shopping center, it's going to stick out, and yeah, you don't want that though. After about half an hour to 45 minutes, my shoulders, my thighs and my wrists are actually starting to ache. Yeah, they are starting to ache. It hurts a lot though. The thing is, you can stand on this.